Hi everyone, Frank Terlep here, and welcome to the first Test Drive Tuesday of 2021. In today's short video, I want to share with you our thoughts on what we believe are the best practices for post-repair, post-calibration test drives. Let's get started. Step one, the first step should be to have a conversation with the customer. And during that conversation, you probably ought to let them know that the battery may be disconnected during the repair, which may lead to recalibrations. You also want to inform them that you will be taking the vehicle for an extensive test drive to validate that all of their ADAS systems operate as designed. It's also going to be important to inform them that if there is a calibration, you are probably going to reset their ADAS systems back to the OEM settings. And then finally, from a courtesy perspective, just inform them that you're going to provide them with all the appropriate documentation for the repair, for the calibrations, and the test drives for their file. Step number two is really important, and that's identifying the ADAS technologies on that vehicle. This takes some time, and it probably will require a visual inspection, but it's critical that you get this step right, not only from a repair perspective and a parts ordering perspective, but also from a calibration perspective and a test drive perspective. Now, there's some good news coming down the pike. Our company is getting ready to release a product called ADAS Copilot. And that product will allow you to use your smartphone to scan the VIN barcode, and then in seconds it will provide you with all of the ADAS technologies that are installed on that particular vehicle. Huge time saver, great for accuracy. So look for that coming from us in a few weeks. Step three, complete the repairs properly, complete the calibrations properly. Okay? Step four, once the repairs are completed or the calibrations are completed, perform a post scan and clear all the appropriate codes. Step five, so now you're getting ready to take the vehicle for a test drive. You need to understand how those systems perform and operate and engage so you know that they're operating correctly. So this is going to require you to do some research. Hopefully you've looked at the OEM procedures in the beginning, but I'm 100% confident that the OEM procedures do not provide OEM test drive procedures all in one place. So you may be required to go to the owner's manual, you may be required to go to the OEM website, and you may even have to go to the OEM YouTube channel. Now, on the other hand, if you're a Test Drive Copilot subscriber, we provide you with all of the OEM-based test drive procedures for all of the manufacturer's ADAS systems in one place. So we'll save you a ton of time and a ton of energy there as well. So once you've done your research, it's now time to go and do the test drive. And when you go do the test drive, we strongly recommend that a test drive get recorded, both audio and video, and also a detailed report gets generated for your bulletproof file and for the consumer. When you're recording the video, you can either record the video outside, pointing outside of the windshield, or you can record the video of the dashboard with regard to the ADAS lights and warning icons. So that's number one. Number two, recording audio. We think it's really important. The person or persons performing the test drive should be speaking about what actions they're taking while they're taking. For example, if they're driving along, they may want to say, turn left hand, turn signal on, left side blind spot monitor is operational. So we think that's really important. And then last but not least is the report. And that report should include the vehicle information, who performed the test drive, the beginning, end, and total miles, the high, low, and average speed, the beginning, end, and total time of the test drive. There should be a map of the test drive as well, showing what left turns and what right turns were performed. And last but not least, there should be a quality control checklist as part of that report that shows that what systems were checked, what systems were tested, and did all the systems operate as designed by the OEM. So there you have it. Quick overview on our philosophy with regard to post-repair, post-calibration, test drive best practices. Hope this helps. Bye.